Located these coyotes off the road here about 400 yards. A group of them howled back and came here, got on top of them right here, and started off with MFK hello howls. Nothing responded. I switched to cagey cottontail, and that sucker was in my lap. Before I knew, I didn't even see him coming. He was 8 yards off the call. I mean, in my lap, and as you saw, he got flipped over, but pretty good male coyote. He's pretty mature. I haven't looked at him. Yeah, he's an older coyote. I'd say probably at least 3 years old. But just looking at his teeth. But I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more.